Converting a Wix website to HTML is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, it is essential to understand the basics of Wix and HTML. Wix is a website builder that allows users to create websites without coding, while HTML is a markup language used to create web pages. To begin the conversion process, access the Wix website you want to convert and navigate to the editor. Click on the settings icon and select Download Site from the drop-down menu. This will download a zip file containing the website's files. Next, extract the zip file to a folder on your computer. The folder will contain several files, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. The HTML files will have a HTML extension, while the CSS files will have a .css extension. Open the HTML file in a text editor or code editor. You will see the website's code, which includes the structure and content of the website. The code will be written in HTML, with CSS styles applied to the elements. To make the website functional, you will need to add links to the CSS and JavaScript files. You can do this by adding the link tag to the head section of the HTML file. For example, if the CSS file is named style.css, you would add the following code to the head section: link rel stylesheet href style.css. Additionally, you may need to update the image paths and other file references in the HTML code. This is because the files are now located in a different directory, and the paths need to be updated to reflect this. Once you have updated the code, save the HTML file and open it in a web browser. The website should now be displayed in the browser, and you can test its functionality. It is essential to note that converting a Wix website to HTML may require some technical knowledge, especially if you are not familiar with HTML and CSS. However, with the right tools and resources, you can successfully convert your Wix website to HTML and take control of your website's code. In conclusion, converting a Wix website to HTML is a relatively simple process that requires some basic knowledge of HTML and CSS. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can convert your Wix website to HTML and gain more control over your website's design and functionality.